They say work hard and you'll get ahead, but I'm just breaking my back instead. Clocking in just to pay that rent. Ain't much left when the day is spent. Boss man talking about living the dream that's built on my routine. They raise the price, we keep the pace, running in place just to stay in the race. We built this town with our two hands, blood in the dirt, sweat in the sand. They make the rules, we make it stand. Yeah, this land runs on the working man. Bills stack high, paychecks thin, round and around that wheel we spin. They fly first class, we drive beat trucks, still showing up when the world gets rough. We built this town with our two hands, blood in the dirt, sweat in the sand. They make the rules, we make it stand. Yeah, this land runs on the working man. That keeps it spinning round. One more day, we'll take that stand. You can't buy soul from the working man. We built this town with our two hands, blood in the dirt, sweat in the sand. They make the rules, we make it stand. Yeah, this land runs on the working man. We built this town with our two hands, blood in the dirt, sweat in the sand. They make the rules, we make it stand. Yeah, this land runs on the working man.
This dance is called The Working Man, choreographed by Verdonk and Natalina. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, high improver level line dance. There are 2 tags and 1 restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, side, behind, hit your right, weave, behind, side. 1/8 left, right foot forward, facing 10-30, left foot forward, right foot, mambo, rock forward, recover back, quarter turn left, side, cross, facing 7-30. Section 2, quarter turn left, left foot forward, sweep your right, right foot forward, sweep your left, facing 4-30. 3 count, jazz box, cross, back, 1/8 left side, facing 3, sway hips right, left. 3/4 turn sweep. Quarter turn right, step right foot forward, sweep your left and continue half turn to your right, hit your left. Now you're facing 12 o'clock. Section 3, round forward, left, right, left, hit your right, round back, right, left, cross your right, unwind, full turn to your left, weight on your right, sweep your left, left foot, sailor step. Last section, right foot, cross shuffle. Left foot, side rock recover, quarter turn right, forward, facing 3, right foot, point to the side, forward, left foot, point to the side. Weave, left foot, behind, side, cross. Now you're facing 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now let me go over take 1. Take 1 occurs after wall 4 facing 12 o'clock. Take 1 has 2 counts. Starting with right foot, step right foot to the side, sway hips right, left. With counts 1, 2. On wall 5, you will dance 16 counts, then add a 4 count take 2. Then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 with counts starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 counts. Now add a 4 count take 2. Step left foot forward, touch your right. Step right foot to the side, sway hips right, left. With counts for take 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.